Welcome to the world of crystals, an exquisite range from Crystal Inlay, Taiwan. We offer application services of crystal inlay through our interiors division, GEC Interno. The range from Crystal Inlay includes an exclusive assortment of glass, gems and minerals. Create a sparkling and light radiating effect on walls or floors, with a variety of natural minerals, stones, jewels, colorful crystal glass, including Swarovski. Crystal Inlay is available in a wide range of colors and sizes. We will now watch a brief video on crystal inlay work. We will now present the range of crystals, minerals and jewels offered by Crystal Inlay. Starting with Crystal Core or CC series. These pure single-color crystals display strong and pure emotions. Next in range is Crystal Fusion or the CF series. These are blue crystals mixed with green and red-toned crystals. The Crystal Swarovski range or CS series is a brand new series made with Swarovski elements. The next in range is Crystal Jewel series or CJ series, a balance of natural and artificial materials. Crystal Mineral or CM series is a blend of crystal glass and mineral stones, providing a spark of light and dark, like harmony of human and nature. Next in range is the Jewel Core series or JC series, representing wind, earth, fire and water, the powers of Mother Nature. And Jewel Mineral series or the JM series, a mix of semi-precious and mineral stones, displaying different refraction of light, with interesting contrast. The last product in the range is the Mineral Mix series or MM series. This is a mix of colorful mineral stones. We will now display some images of Crystal Inlay projects for a better understanding of the product. We hope the Crystal Inlay range has interested you. If you intend to use the product in your future projects or would like more information, please do contact us. Our contact details are provided below. Thank you and look forward to your most valued business.